This is beautiful work that you've been doing.
Thank you, man.
This is what I want, though, P. I'm waiting on a hit record. Feel what I'm saying? One of them bad, mad Majama. That song that you did with Jay-Z, I told somebody the other day, I said that should have been my mom.
First of all, Snoop is very tall. And then he's in the studio with like 15 Crips who are all 6'5". You ever been in a city where you could see the fog really low? That's what it was like. Snoop has mystical vibes. I'm just like channeling him. So I made that beat out of my mind.
Go ahead on the set.
Hey, Pharrell.
Hey, how you doing, man? You know what'd be cool is if we told my story with Lego pieces.
Seriously?
Yes.
Lego.
Just be open.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
When I was a kid, I knew I was different. And people would say, oh, that's an odd child. And that crushed my spirit. But I loved music. It was mesmerizing to me. I would see beautiful hues of light cascading. I just thought that's what all black kids did, stared into the speaker like, whoa.
She's up all night to the sun.
Music was just coming out of me. I need to show the world what I can do.
Hi, Pharrell. I need help on this rap.
Yes, sir. It's pretty simple. Just let it bounce.
He just went in the room and freestyled it.
It's Teddy, ready with the 1-2 check.
All I cared about was making my own music, but people just said,
No.
I wasn't ready.
You can't be me, I'm a rock star.
This song is ridiculous.
Who did that?
Pharrell.
Pharrell.
It's alive.
Wow. My imagination would run super wild.
Dun, 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 dun. Drop it like it's hot. I was always a bad gangster, but you brought out a smile.
Hell yeah.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
That feels great.
Clap along if you
I firmly believe that everybody has talent, beauty, and potential.
Keep open our eyes to a whole different perspective.
Thank you, Pharrell. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
Woo! Holy moly, guacamole. Legendary story, yeah?
Wow, wow.
Man, this is gonna be a Lego movie, bruh.